I'm going to cook a sticky rice dessert steamed in banana leaf today. So first, I put the rice in the bowl. Then I'm going to put water to soak for 3 hours. 3 hours now. The reason I use this cheesecloth to draining my sticky rice because my steamer have a big hole. 1 cup water, 2 cup of water, and half. This is coconut powder. I like coconut powder. I don't like the liquid one. I like the powder. So I will say 2 of these, like a half cup. One cup. And then sugar. Oops. If you like very sweet, you can use 1 cup. Or like me, I don't like, so I use only like a half cup. This is 10 cup of sticky rice. This is how you mix the coconut and sugar. It's beautiful. This is not too dry, not too wet. So it looks like just like this, separate way, so you can wrap with the leaf. Or you chop for small piece, so we can wrap with the banana leaf with the sticky rice. So you add in a little bit of onion with to make a flavor. 2 pieces of garlic. Extra virgin oil. This is the onion. The smoked pork is already salty, so you don't need to put any salt. Just a little bit soy sauce, make a flavor. Beautiful. Little bit black pepper to make a taste. This is the banana leaf, and it smells so good. So when you go and wrap the sticky rice, you have to wash both sides. Make sure there's no dirt. This is the saran wrap. I usually like to put outside, so my rice will not break. And this is the banana leaf. You can put any side, and then you put the rice. I would say like a 2 spoons of rice, and then you just do like this. You see how nice? Very nice. And then I'm going to put the meat. I like to eat with the meat, so I'm going to put the meat right there. This is how you do it. You see, it's so beautiful. And then you just wrap tightly, very tight, and then go roll and roll and roll and then roll. And then you just cover in the side to side. See that? This is so beautiful. And then you use the clear wrap over. Make sure it will not breakable. Any rice stick outside, that's fine, but you just want to make sure it looks neat and clean, so it looks good and tasty. This is how you do it. See that? How beautiful. I'm going to use the ripe banana. Now I'm going to wrap with the banana. So you can put one piece or two pieces. That is up to you. As long as you make a flavor out there and it tastes good. And then you wrap tightly. Go forward until you reach, and then you do side. And then you do side. You can do bigger or you can do smaller. That is up to you, your choice. And then you cover like this. You see beautiful? It's so beautiful. You see, it's so good. It looks so good. Very nice. This is the final round. Steam the banana wrapped with banana, sticky rice, and meat. Make sure you have enough water in the bottom so it will not burn. And then you have to put the top steamer in tightly. Make sure there's no air come out. And then you steam for 20 to 25 minutes or half hour. Make sure it's fully cooked. This is the final product. You see the banana inside with the sticky rice with coconut and sugar. It's so good and looks so tasty. This is how it looks. This is the meat. You see how beautiful on the side with the smoked pork. Beautiful, tasty. I love it. You should try.